Okay, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new Gigabyte Z890 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7 ICE. This is Intel's new platform for their Arrow Lake CPUs based on socket LGA 1851. It has PCI Express 5 and DDR support for DDR5. Now for the board, it's a pretty board, don't get me wrong, if you're into white builds. Yeah, it's a pretty board. Comes in white, also has a black option available. Board comes in at $289 US before tax. Could have went with the Gigabyte Z890 Aorus Pro ICE. That was $399, but yeah, for the price, it didn't really offer much difference than what I was looking for right now. I do have some more motherboards for my memory testing coming through, but for now, I just wanted to use this for media and content creation. Also has a lot of potential for multi-threaded applications, which I'm going to be testing too. Board itself has two 8-pin CPU power inputs, has 4 DIMM slots, maximum overclock rating of 8800, right? Maximum supported memory 256 gigabyte, 64 gigabyte per slot. It has 4 SATA Express. Supports RAID 015 and 1+0. Has Realtek ALC 1220 audio, 7.1 sound, onboard Wi-Fi. The internet LAN chipset is a Realtek 2.5 gigabit internet. It has Wi-Fi 7. It has 2 PCI Express 4.0 by 16 slots and 1 PCI Express 5 by 16 slot. What else? We have headers. We have about 6 fan headers, 1 CPU, 1 water pump, 3 system fans. USBs on the back. We have 4 USB 2.0 headers. We got 2 ports, 3.2 Type A Gen 1. And then we have another 1 port Type C 3.2 Gen 2. We got 3 RGB headers. We got 1 24-pin ATX. What else we got? And a 3-year warranty for parts and labor. So yeah, I'm gonna put this board through the paces, get it all set up. I'm gonna be using the Intel 265K. Also, I'm gonna be using vcolor's 8600 memory. See what that does on this board. Alright, so I'm gonna hook this bad boy up to the test bed. Get Windows installed, hook up all the drivers, and do some video editing. Maybe some streaming off the CPU. And that's the intended goal for tonight. Alright, see you later.